Interference around here, but it's doing okay.
You're doing alright?
Yeah. I'm gonna go. I don't have my radio or my video transmitter power very high, but I can go out here a little water.
Yeah.
It
Wow,
looks
look
cool.
at you. Birds know what to do with you. Feel all like steering the other direction. Tiny whoop!
Tiny whooping.
Tiny whoop! That was a good one.
You are also fun.
I got a pretty flower. Thank you, Miss Faye. Oh, thank you. I love it.
Mom, do you want to see me make a crater?
Oh, this is the perfect place to digest.
Isn't it that? It's gorgeous out here.
No pets allowed.
Woo! Look at you go. Oh!
Found the tree.
Uh-oh.
Hold on.
I think you're in the tree. You are stuck in that tree. You're high up in that tree, sir.
How high am I?
Pretty damn high, sir. I saw you fly in.
You still recording? Wow. Okay.
Yes.
The drone's been saved.
The drone has